In the earlier part, we have seen about the national parties. All the national parties in detail we have studied in the earlier video. Now we'll move toward the next part, that is the state parties. Other than these national parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified by the Election Commission as state parties. These are commonly referred as regional parties because these parties mainly represent a particular region. That is why these parties are called regional parties. These parties need not be regional in their ideology or outlook. It is not compulsory. They should be identify to the particular region. Their interest on the national level are also. Some of these parties are all India parties that happen to have succeeded only in some states. Some parties which are called as the state parties, they are interested, sure outlook is nationwide, but they get success in the particular states. That is why this party is called the state parties. Parties like the Samajwadi Party, Samta Party and Rashtriya Janata Dal have a national level political organization with unit in several states. Some of these parties like Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front and Mizo National Front are conscious about their state identity. So it is depend on that particular organization. Many organizations may call the regional parties, but their interests are on a nationwide, their influence on the national politics. But some are very cautious about the regional identity. Over the last 3 decades, the number and strength of these parties has expanded. Since last 3 decades, the political faces are changed. So due to that, the strength and numbers of political parties expanded, became more. This made the Parliament of India politically more and more diverse. Because of the number and strength of the state parties, the Parliament's face is changed. There is a dominance of the regional parties or the state parties. No single party is coming with a majority to form the own government in the parliament. That is why it is needing to make alliances and this parliament become diverse because of this one. No one national party is able to secure on its own a majority in a Lok Sabha. As a result, the national parties are compelled to form alliance with state parties. Since 1996, nearly every one of the state parties has got an opportunity to be part of one of the other national level coalition government. Since 1996, it happened there. The regional parties are getting opportunity to be a part of a national level coalition government. This has contributed to the strengthening of federalism and democracy in our country. Look the map which is given on the page number 82. So number of regional parties with their symbols are shown. Study this map. These are some regional parties. Might you knew this one? Aam Aadmi Party, which is dominating in Delhi, Biju Janata Dal, Orissa, All India Forward Bloc, West Bengal, AIDMK, Tamil Nadu, Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, Samajwadi Party, Uttar Pradesh, Shiromani Akali Dal in Punjab. These are some examples of the regional parties which are dominating in their particular state.